Welcome to the SQL in the City Summit London. I am Kendra Little, and I'm so excited to kick off the day talking about the 4 keys to unlocking DevOps.
DevOps is a key factor in our success. We are continually delivering new products into new markets. To do this, we need to be able to deploy quickly and robustly.
The challenge is, you can't really do much on your own. You've got shortage of time, you've got shortage of brain power, knowledge, thoughts. And for companies to succeed, they really need people to collaborate and work together as a team.
DevOps is important for the success of our organisation because it allows us to collaborate with different departments. It enables us to think about things differently.
It's nice to see everyone here. My name is Ronit. I'm actually a program manager working for Microsoft. I work on the SQL team, the SQL Server team, and I'll be talking to you today from Microsoft's perspective on how we think about addressing data privacy and GDPR requirements and the whole topic of compliance.
One key challenge we're facing is GDPR, both from an internal IT point of view as well as company-wide, how we secure the data, who has access to the data, what we do with dev and test environments.
Data breaches are a problem. Everyone is struggling with this. Everyone has to find a way to deal with this. People were talking about this large number of records that are being breached, but this number just makes me crazy. Over 2.5 billion records breached in the last year alone.
DevOps allows us to identify any issues before we deploy and therefore maintain both our reputation and the quality of service that our customers expect from us.